Are your Telegram chats feeling a little flat? Ever feel like a simple emoji just doesn't cut it when you want to share that perfect, hilarious reaction? You see your friends sending all these amazing custom stickers, and you're left wondering, how are they doing that? You probably think making your own is way too complicated or that you need to be some kind of graphic designer. Well, what if I told you that in just a few minutes, you can totally transform your chats? I'm going to show you the ultimate 2026 guide to not only find and add millions of incredible sticker packs instantly, but also how to create your very own custom stickers right from any photo on your phone. No extra apps, no fancy software, just pure expressive fun built right into Telegram. Welcome to your complete guide for mastering Telegram stickers in 2026. Forget scrolling forever to find a sticker that's just okay. By the end of this, you'll be able to find the perfect reaction in seconds, and even turn your own photos, memes, and inside jokes into sticker packs you can share with anyone. We're going to break this down into three simple parts. First, the quick win, how to find and add from Telegram's huge library of existing stickers. Second, the real magic, using Telegram's powerful built-in editor to create amazing stickers from your photos with just a few taps. And finally, for those who want to become true sticker pros, we'll get into the world of sticker bots and AI generators. Ready to make your chats way more fun? Let's get started. First things first, let's get you some new stickers right now. Telegram has a massive, always growing collection of stickers from artists and users all over the world, and getting to them is incredibly easy. The most direct way is right inside any chat. Open a chat and look for the sticker icon in the message bar, usually on the left. Tap it. This opens your sticker panel where you'll see your recently used stickers. The real power here is the search bar. Telegram's search is smart and tied to emojis, so if you type in an emoji, like the laughing one, it will instantly suggest stickers that match that feeling. You can also type in simple keywords like happy dog or confused cat to find what you're looking for. It's a fast way to find a reaction on the fly. In that same sticker panel, you'll also see a plus icon. Tapping this takes you to a discovery section with trending sticker packs. This is a great way to see what's popular. If you find a pack you like, just hit the add button next to it and it's instantly in your collection. But what if a friend sends you a sticker you absolutely love? You don't have to ask them where they got it, just tap on the sticker they sent. Telegram will show you the entire pack it came from. From there, you can hit add stickers to save the whole set for yourself. Finding stickers is great, but creating them is a total game changer. You can turn your pet into a meme, capture a friend's hilarious expression, or make a set of inside jokes for your group chat. And thanks to Telegram's fantastic built-in sticker editor, you don't need any other apps. Here's how you do it, step by step. After you tap on the plus icon, tap on Create Sticker. Next, Telegram will open your phone's photo gallery. Pick any photo you want to turn into a sticker. For the best results, choose one where your subject is clear and stands out from the background. Once you pick your photo, the magic happens. The editor will load the image and you'll see an option called Cutout. You can simply select the image and select a part of the image and then tap Done. This will create a sticker with a background, but you can do something even cooler. Let's get back to the same part where you reach the Cutout option. With one tap, Telegram's AI analyzes the photo and automatically removes the background, giving you a perfect cutout of your subject. The accuracy is surprisingly good. If it's not quite perfect, you can use the manual tools to clean up the edges, but most of the time, the AI nails it on the first try. Now you have your cutout. This is your canvas. You can pinch to resize or rotate it. The real power is in the editing tools. You can add text in different fonts and colors, draw on your sticker, or even add other animated stickers or emojis on top to make it more dynamic. It's perfect for adding a punchline or just a little extra flair. When your sticker looks perfect, the next step is key for making it easy to find. Telegram will ask you to assign an emoji to your sticker. Choose one or two emojis that best represent the sticker's emotion. If it's a sticker of you laughing, assign an emoji. This lets you and others find that sticker later just by typing that emoji. Finally, save the sticker. Telegram will ask you if you want to add it to an existing pack or create a new one. Let's make a new one. Give your pack a name, and that's it. Your sticker is now live and will show up in your sticker panel, ready to send. You've just made a custom sticker in about a minute. You can keep adding more stickers to your pack anytime using the same process, and every pack you create gets its own shareable link. If you've mastered the built-in editor and you're ready to take your sticker creation to the next level, it's time to meet the bots. For years, the official @StickersBot has been the main tool for creating and managing sticker packs, and it's still incredibly powerful if you want more control. To use it, just search for @Stickers in Telegram. Make sure it's the official one with the blue checkmark. Start a chat and it will give you a list of commands. To create a standard sticker pack, you send the new pack command. The bot will ask for a name for your pack. After that, the process is a little different. You'll need to upload your sticker image as a file. The image must be a PNG or WebP file with a transparent background, and it needs to be 512 by 512 pixels or have one side that's 512 pixels. This method is great if you're preparing images on a computer with software like Photoshop. After uploading your file, the bot asks you to assign an emoji, just like in the editor. You repeat this for every sticker in the pack. When you're done, send the publish command, and the bot will generate the shareable link for you. The process is similar for animated and video stickers with the new animated or new video commands. Now let's talk about the absolute cutting edge, AI-powered sticker generation. This is where you can create stickers not just from photos, but from your imagination. You can use an external AI image generator to create your art from simple text prompts. For instance, you could use an AI image generator like the one in Filmora or the DALL-E model available through tools like ChatGPT. You could give it a prompt like a cute cartoon-style fox waving hello sticker with a white outline. The AI will generate the image for you. You can then download that image, make sure it meets the size requirements, and upload it to the @StickersBot to build out a full pack of completely original creations. And there you have it. From finding popular packs in seconds to creating personal stickers from your own photos and even generating brand new art with AI. You're now all set to make your Telegram chats more expressive, fun, and uniquely you. If this guide helped you out, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks for 2026 and beyond. I'd also love to see what you create, so let me know in the comments what sticker you're going to make first. So go ahead and try it out. Explore the trending packs, turn that favorite photo into a sticker with the built-in editor, or get creative with the @StickersBot. The days of boring chats are officially over. You now have an unlimited palette of expressions right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating.